Guiding you guys on how to pay with Paysafecard and Epic Games. So let's get started. Now, before you begin, you'll have to ensure that you have enough funds. So make sure your Paysafecard has enough credit to cover the entire purchase, as Epic Games doesn't accept partial payments with it. Then you should have the 16-digit PIN from your Paysafecard readily available. Now, how can you use it actually to purchase games or stuff from Epic Games? Now, you're going to choose your purchase. In the Epic Games Store, select the game or item you want to buy and add it to your cart. Now, proceed to checkout. Go to your cart and click Proceed to Purchase. Then select Pay Safeguard. Under the payment method, choose Other Payment Methods and then select Pay Safeguard. Now you'll have to enter your PIN. So in the PIN section, you're going to enter the 16-digit PIN from your Paysafe card, and then you can just click on place your order and your purchase will be successful. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.